Are you tired of dealing with aches, pains, stress, or even low energy? Well, I've got great news for you. Today, we're diving into 5 exercises that solve 95% of your problems. Whether it's improving your posture, relieving joint pain, boosting energy, or even sharpening your mind, these exercises have got you covered. Let's jump in. Number 1 on the list is the king of all exercises, squats. Squats aren't just for bodybuilders, they're essential for everyone. This exercise strengthens your legs, core, and lower back, all critical for daily movements like walking, standing, or even climbing stairs. Plus, it improves your posture and stability. Quick tip: start with bodyweight squats if you're a beginner. Once you've mastered the form, gradually add weights to challenge yourself. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Next up, we have push-ups, one of the most versatile and effective exercises. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. They're perfect for building upper body strength and improving overall functional fitness. Quick tip: modify the exercise if needed. Beginners can start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups against a sturdy surface. The key is to maintain proper form and gradually increase intensity. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. Coming in at number 3 is the plank. This exercise is a game changer for your core strength and stability. A strong core supports your spine, reduces the risk of injuries, and enhances balance and posture. Quick tip: start with a basic forearm plank. Keep your body straight, engage your core, and avoid letting your hips sag. Beginners can start with 20 to 30 seconds and work their way up to a full minute or longer. The 4th exercise is a powerhouse: deadlifts. This full-body movement targets your back, legs, glutes, and core. It's perfect for improving functional strength and posture while reducing lower back pain. Quick tip: always prioritize form over weight. If you're new to deadlifts, start with a light barbell or even just a PVC pipe to nail down the technique. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Finally, let's talk about the most underrated yet powerful exercise: walking. It's low impact, accessible to everyone, and offers a ton of benefits. Walking helps improve cardiovascular health, reduces stress, enhances mental clarity, and even aids digestion. Quick tip: aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking daily. For added benefits, consider walking in nature or using a treadmill with an incline. And there you have it, the 5 exercises that can solve 95% of your problems. Squats, push-ups, planks, deadlifts, and walking. These aren't just exercises, they're solutions for a healthier, happier you. Start incorporating them into your routine today, and you'll see the difference in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Together, let's crush those challenges and live our best lives. See you in the